What a day, what a day. I just drove down from Santa Cruz coming here to the Asian Museum.
What's happening? What's going down? What's happening here? Can anyone tell me? Yeah, that's it. I know now. Yeah.
At the present time, I wish to go to the kingdom near the forest of Ayodhya. I have heard there's a beautiful lady by the name of Lady Santa. Ah, she must be mine. They're creating trouble in the world. This is the emotionally uncontrolled character. You have to know the gaits with which each of these characters moves. Arjuna moves slowly. Trek, trek, da-da-da, trek, trek, da-da-da. These characters move a little faster. They go trek, 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 trek. They speak k-k-k. I wish to offer my humble greetings. And they don't always think before they go out and do things. This particular character type is associated with our adolescence. The next character type is gaga or strong. As you move into middle age, if you have children, if you're running museums or other jobs, then you are trying to dance this particular row. They go doot-ding-bong, 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 barata, bara-ba, barata.
Hey, I wish to offer my humble greeting.
They try and impress us with their deep voices and their big steps. They do a lot of work, but they sometimes mess up. The final character type represents our face as we approach our moment of death. They're also that part of us that screams, that causes trouble, that does everything else that's sort of wild and we would love to forget. These characters go ba 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 ra da ba 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 da. At the present time, I wish to go to the kingdom near the forest of Ayodhya. I have heard there's a beautiful lady by the name of Lady Santa. Ah, she must be mine. They're creating trouble in the world. This is the emotionally uncontrolled character type. This particular character is called Samar. He is a god clown. If you ever wondered why the universe is strange, it's because the first principle was a clown. He got this big belly when he was trying to swallow a great world mountain. And people say that this little funny thing, his kunchung, it's the axis on which the universe turns. He has a black body to represent the night, white face to represent the day. He's half male and he's half female. This particular character was sent down into the world to serve the righteous forces, and he also represents the voice of the little people. Therefore, in any performance, the Dalang will hold him up and speak as if he's coming from the village. I come from Santa Cruz. Therefore, if I'm doing a performance, I'd say, I'm booing, I'm booing, I'm booing. What a day, what a day. I just drove down from Santa Cruz coming here to the Asian Art Museum. Oh, the traffic jams. I cannot tell you. The fog, the cold, San Francisco. But that's not what I was going to say. What I was going to say is I'm a clown. And that may seem like I don't know nothing. And I'm a nobody and a know-how. But, you know, us little guys, we got something up here, too. Ostrajinga, who's probably the most favorite of the Sundanese clowns.